can't hear you! Aye, Captain. Oh!
That's why I'm wearing glasses. Eye protection.
Same with me.
Yeah.
Will, let me see without your glasses. Oh my god! That looks so freaky.
Wait, can I see?
Wait for it. Wait for it. And now. No, right now.
Now?
Now we the room!
You broke it.
There it comes.
You broke it. Jinx. Good job, Pat. We broke it. Jinx. So disgusting. Alright, here we go. Real slow.
That was
Don't fall.
Hey, are you filming?
Ow!
Karma.
That's not loud.
That was the whistle.
No, them releasing the brakes was loud.
Yeah, that was loud. Oh, disgusting.
Smoker's cough.
It's like we're getting high. We're getting high on cigarettes. It's not loud. I know.
Yeah, that actually is the bell right there.
That feels fine.
Hey, look at that alien kid. He's filming. Oh no, he caught me.
Still going in your face or no? What the hell are you doing?
I'm getting shot.
Oh yeah.
Whoa, that shot looks
Okay, I want to get in front now. Alright, go. Here, I don't. Here, if it's gonna be like this for the rest of the ride back, I'm gonna go over there. Oh, you know what we should get? Let's get one.
Oh, there's all like that.
You watch Anthea.
No.
No, where did we just get that from?
I like singing.
I like dancing.
I like trains!
I hate trains.
Okay, push.
I have an idea. Oh, okay. You grab his arms, I grab his feet. Go. No! Oh, he already almost did it for us.
He did it for us. Level up.
Here we go. Why are you?
Like a ball.
You know, that's quite
There's
awesome.
rich people living
No,
in
he's
these
like
houses.
houses right next to the train tracks. It's quite awesome.
You're leaving us stranded. You're leaving us stranded.
What they are?
Whoa, it's straight there.
No,
They're leaving you here, yeah.
Murder's hell.
they're just turning around to go to the end.
They are?
Yeah.
don't think so.
They're gonna turn around and go straight there. They're gonna go.
No, what about big stuff? Yeah, but please don't do that. You guys behind us.
Sure, why
I
not?
should have filmed that too, damn it.
Whoa.
He doesn't like his train. Hey, dudes.
Which one do you want to see? Which New York Center do you want to see for store? 5780, that's the consolidation, or 3001, the Mohawk.
I want the Mohawk.
How would you like to see it run on Norfolk Southern?
Even better. Oh, here's 97. Oh, man, yeah. Are you guys gonna fill this one out? I'm not. Oh, you are. When we get off, I'll ask you guys for your phone numbers. Yeah. Oh, sorry.
Yeah, I'll see you guys. I'll see you out.
I'll get you guys your phone numbers so that when we get off. Oh, when we get off? Yeah.